Welcome to Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download the Outlook application on your phone. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. Firstly, you need to open your Google Play Store and click on the search button at the top of the Google Play Store. Step 2. Search for Outlook application. After going to the Search tab, you just have to type Outlook and search in the Play Store. After searching for Outlook, you just simply have to select the first Microsoft Outlook app. Step 3. Install the app. After selecting the application, you just simply have to click on the blue Install button here. And after clicking on the Install button, your Play Store will install Microsoft Outlook in some very short time depending on your network connection. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more future contents like this.